Welcome to part 3 of the Heart-Healthy 7-Day Meal Plan. By now, viewers have completed days 1 and 2. Blood pressure has begun declining. Inflammation is suppressing. Taste buds are adjusting to lower sodium. Energy levels are stabilizing. Part 3 introduces greater variety through plant-based proteins. This doesn't mean becoming vegetarian. It means understanding that cardiovascular protection doesn't require meat at every meal. In fact, research shows varied protein sources, fish, plant-based legumes, occasional poultry, provide superior cardiovascular outcomes compared to meat-heavy diets. Days 3 and 4 demonstrate that heart-healthy eating expands as the week progresses rather than becomes more restrictive. More diversity, more flavors, more nutrient variety. Eggs have suffered from decades of dietary myths. The cholesterol in eggs doesn't significantly raise blood cholesterol. Dietary saturated fat does. Eggs are actually rich in choline, a nutrient critical for brain health and cardiovascular function. Research shows eggs are among the most nutrient-dense foods available. The combination with leafy greens is strategic. Spinach provides nitrates that relax blood vessels. Mushrooms, particularly cremini and shiitake, contain polysaccharides with anti-inflammatory properties. Some species contain compounds that actually lower cholesterol through mechanisms similar to pharmaceutical interventions. Tomatoes provide lycopene, a carotenoid that reduces cardiovascular disease risk. Notably, cooked tomatoes provide more bioavailable lycopene than raw tomatoes, but this recipe uses fresh tomatoes for their enzymatic compounds. The whole grain toast provides fiber and resistant starch. One slice of high-quality whole grain bread, with at least 3 grams of fiber, completes the cardiovascular profile. Brown rice is fundamentally different from white rice. It retains the bran and germ layers, which contain resistant starch and fiber. This resistant starch digests slowly, preventing blood sugar spikes. For seniors with diabetes or prediabetes, brown rice should replace white rice entirely. The magnesium in brown rice helps regulate blood pressure. The insoluble fiber supports digestive health and prevents chronic diseases. Black beans are legumes rich with polyphenol and resistant starch. They're among the least expensive cardiovascular superfoods available. The combination of brown rice and black beans provides a complete protein, all 9 essential amino acids. Avocado is unique. High in fat, yes, but monounsaturated fat, the heart-healthy kind. Avocados have been shown in studies to improve cholesterol ratios and reduce inflammation. They're also rich in potassium and vitamin K. This meal is budget-conscious cardiovascular medicine. Brown rice and black beans cost less than $2 total. Add vegetables, and the total remains under $4 for an exceptional meal. Turkey breast is exceptionally lean protein, less than 2% fat when skin is removed. It provides complete amino acids with minimal saturated fat, unlike higher fat meat options. Turkey also contains selenium and B vitamins critical for cardiovascular metabolism. The herbs serve multiple purposes. Sage has mild anti-inflammatory properties. Thyme contains thymol with documented antioxidant effects. Rosemary contains compounds that improve blood circulation. Lemon zest provides citric acid, which improves mineral absorption. Broccoli rabe is a cruciferous vegetable distinct from regular broccoli. It contains higher concentrations of glucosinolates, compounds that release sulforaphane when chewed and digested. Sulforaphane is a potent anti-inflammatory compound with specific benefits for cardiovascular health. This dinner provides high-quality lean protein with minimal saturated fat and maximal cardiovascular nutrients. Apple skins are rich in quercetin, a flavonoid that reduces blood pressure and inflammation. Almond butter provides monounsaturated fats and magnesium. This snack is straightforward, satisfying, and intensely cardiovascular. By the end of day 3, viewers have consumed approximately 1,110 calories. Daily sodium totaled approximately 580 milligrams. Potassium exceeded 2,180 milligrams. Fiber reached 35 grams. The meals have become increasingly comfortable. The pattern is established. Chia seeds are among the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, 5 grams per ounce of chia seeds. They're also extraordinarily rich in soluble fiber. When soaked in liquid, Chia seeds form a gel that slows gastric emptying. This means blood sugar stays stable for hours. No mid-morning energy crash or afternoon food cravings. Notably, this pudding is prepared the night before breakfast. This represents true convenience, minimal morning effort, maximum nutrition. Seniors can prepare 5 or 6 puddings on the weekend, grab one each morning, and enjoy breakfast in seconds. Mixed berries provide anthocyanins and resveratrol, powerful antioxidants. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, reducing blood sugar spikes by up to 30%. This breakfast is particularly beneficial for seniors with blood sugar concerns or those managing diabetes. Sardines are extraordinarily cardiovascular. One 3.75 ounce can contain 2,000 plus milligrams of EPA and DHA omega-3s. They're also naturally low in mercury because they're small fish, not large predatory fish that accumulate toxins. Here's something unique to sardines. They provide bioavailable calcium from their edible bones. One can provide 325 milligrams of calcium, supporting bone health while simultaneously supporting cardiovascular function. Many people avoid sardines due to acquired taste concerns. In this recipe, sardines are combined with fresh vegetables and olive oil, creating a Mediterranean salad that's approachable even for sardine newcomers. Over time, seniors often develop preference for this fish as they experience its exceptional benefits. Sardines are cost-effective, shelf-stable, and require zero preparation. They're true convenience food for cardiovascular health. Tofu is often met with skepticism by meat-centric eaters. But tofu is a complete plant-based protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's also rich in isoflavones, plant compounds that improve cholesterol profiles and have anti-inflammatory effects. Research shows that consuming soy protein instead of animal protein reduces LDL cholesterol and improves overall cholesterol ratios. For seniors concerned about sustainability and cost, tofu is an exceptional nutritional option. Sesame oil contains lignans with proven cardiovascular benefits. Ginger contains gingerols, compounds with anti-inflammatory and mild blood-thinning properties similar to aspirin, but derived entirely from food. This dinner demonstrates that plant-based meals can be satisfying, flavorful, and powerfully cardiovascular. It also costs less than $2 per serving. Walnuts are the plant-based omega-3 champion. 1 ounce provides 2.5 grams of alpha-linolenic acid, yella, the plant-based omega-3 that the body converts to EPA and DHA. Research shows walnut consumption improves cholesterol ratios and reduces inflammation. Raw walnuts are optimal, as roasting can damage delicate polyunsaturated fats. For days complete, viewers have consumed approximately 4,400 calories total, appropriate for most seniors. Daily sodium has averaged approximately 445 milligrams, approximately 30% of the daily target. Potassium averaged 2,150 milligrams daily. Fiber totaled more than 150 grams. Omega-3 fatty acids exceeded 16 grams. At this point, research suggests significant cardiovascular changes have begun. Blood pressure has likely decreased 5 to 10 millimeters of mercury. Cholesterol is shifting. Inflammation markers are suppressing. Endothelial function, blood vessel responsiveness, is improving. Importantly, seniors report feeling better, more energy, better sleep, improved digestion, stable mood, reduced cravings. These subjective improvements are just as significant as the objective laboratory findings. Days 5 and 6 optimize cardiovascular healing. Part 4 introduces advanced nutrient combinations in advanced science. Blood pressure reduction mechanisms. Cholesterol transformation. The acceleration of healing. For now, comment below. Of days 3 and 4, which meal surprised you most with its cardiovascular power? Which will you prepare first? Share your choice. Subscribe for Part 4 specific date. Your cardiovascular transformation continues.